Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. Here's how to have fresh lettuce for the table in 40 days. 30 days from the plant going into the hydroponics and giving it 10 days for the seed to develop. Alright, here's my lettuce here. Been there for a month, ready to start picking. That's a winter density romaine. And there's I think a butter crunch. These were planted at the same time, and as they get closer to the light, it's time to start picking. Now, down below here is one that is 2 weeks behind it, along with a couple of containers of fresh pepper seeds that are drying. And then 2 weeks behind that is this container here that I made up yesterday. So it'll be ready in 4 weeks. These containers came from Walmart. They were 2 for $12. I drilled some holes in them. These are yogurt cups. You can also use Keurig cups. There's the root system starting out. Poke a hole in the bottom. Good size hole, about an inch hole in the bottom. And you're ready to start going. So to keep these from getting up in the lights, we're going to start picking them. So I got to adjust my camera just a little bit to give me room to get in here. And then we'll start here with these guys. Now you can harvest the whole head if you want, but I like to just cut some. Then in a few days I can come back, cut some more. And I hope you're seeing just how incredibly beautiful all this lettuce is. This container has 6 holes, so it's doing 6 at a time. That's what's in most of my containers. One of them has 8 holes, and if I'm not really careful, it gets like overcrowded, and you can't tell what in the back needs to be picked because it's covered up by all the ones in the front. That still kind of happens here with 6, but not as badly. Look at the size of that leaf. These are like incredibly tender. Just outstanding. Doesn't matter that it was 32 degrees this morning. These guys are inside. They don't care. They're back here by the back door, so they pretty much stay about 68 to 70. Now we'll shift over here to the romaine. These 2 guys in the front, for some reason the plants didn't catch, didn't make roots, so I had to replace them. So they're the same, these 2 are the same age as the ones on the bottom that I was showing you. The really cool part about doing this is that you never have to have old lettuce. You pick it as fresh as you need it. Want some lettuce for a salad at lunch? Guess what? It's 11:30 and I'm picking some salad for lunch. Always go for the guys that are heading up into the lights. So, Here's our bowl of salad. Just fabulous salad. And we'll now be ready for lunch. No bugs. Don't even have to wash it off. This is David at Grow and Eat This. This is the eat this part. I like this part.